Well, jury deliberations are set to continue for the third day in the Karen Reed murder retrial.
That's right. But while jurors review all the facts of this case, the defense once again taking issue with the whole process.
We want to get right to NBC 10's Minaj Kongwari, who's back outside the courthouse in Dedham. Minaj, that motion filed yesterday was over those jury slips.
That's exactly right, and Judge Beverly Cannoni denied it really before even hearing it. But as it relates to what we expect today, the largest crowd of Karen Reed supporters to date, and that's because the jurors have already deliberated for about 9 hours, and because Thursday is a holiday, there will be no court. Many people believe that we should see something today. Outside court yesterday, we were able to catch up with Karen Reed, and she says she was confident, but of course she did express that frustration over the verdict split, specifically as it relates to count number 2, manslaughter while driving under the influence. Her team filed a motion to amend it, arguing the wording may cause confusion amongst the jury, as it's similar to her first trial's verdict slip, and that trial ended in a mistrial. But Judge Beverly Cannoni denied that motion, and saying that the slip is currently consistent with mass law. So now Reed, who is accused of backing her SUV into and killing her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe 3 years ago, will have to hope that the jury can figure this all out. But with each passing hour of deliberations, our NBC 10 chief legal analyst Michael Coyne says, deja vu.
Timing doesn't mean as much as what we might think. When you look at verdicts generally, but especially high-profile verdicts, the only thing you really can be certain about here is the longer the jury is out, the more likely you're going to have, yet again, potentially a hung jury.
Well, deliberations set to pick back up in just a few hours. For right now, we're live here in Dedham. Minaj Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Thank you, Minaj. And as we continue to watch for a verdict, make sure you stay with us here on NBC 10 Boston. Once a jury comes to a decision, we will bring you that live team coverage. Also, be sure to join us every weeknight for Canton Confidential. It happens at 7 o'clock. We'll hear from experts and analysts as we wait for the verdict.